Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Syntech Fix Hub. Today I have this ITEL 55 inches LED TV. The problem is when you try to on it, the standby light will try to kick and drop again. As you can see, watch very closely. Look at the standby light. Standby light, okay. So I'll try to put it on. It flash and drops again. So that's the problem, and we will open it and check. Okay, so watch. You see it flashes, try to start and drops again. So that's the problem, and there's no image on the screen. Only the standby light that starts, changes blue and come back to standby. It's not starting, so we're going to open it and diagnose the problem and fix it. Okay, so this is the TV. That's the model number. That's the model number. Okay, so that's the model number. So the TV is open, as you can see. So this one is using combo motherboard. So the first thing you have to do here is to run through the board to check for any physical damage. That's the first thing to do. Check all the components physically to see if there's anyone that has defects. That may be the problem. Very close range, watch them clearly. In absence of that, then we can go in and start reading the components one after the other. Most likely problem in this type of TV is capacitor. It's like there's a capacitor here that is faulty. You can see this capacitor is really bulged. Okay, if you look closely, you see these ones are okay. These ones are okay, very neat at the top, but this one is swollen. Have a look at it very clear. Discover that it's swollen. Okay, see, this one is swollen, while this one is flat. So likely this may be the problem, but we are going to remove it and read to confirm. Okay, so we'll remove it. Okay, so now the board is really out, as you can see. So this is the capacitor that is faulty. So that's exactly what I'm trying to remove. If you look at the number very clearly, you can see here it's showing 200 volt at 3 UF. So that's exactly what I'm going to remove. You can see this capacitor 220 volts at 3 UF. It's really bulged. See the image. It's really swollen. Okay. Also, I have changed the new capacitor. This is the number I found. The old one was 200 volts at 3 UF. But I could not find a number, but this is the number that I used. 250 volts, 47 UF. Okay, that's exactly what I did. So now I have really installed the capacitor. As you can see, this is the board. So I've already installed the capacitor. I must fit it in a way that it will be stable, and after all, you can put a glue any type under to make sure the capacitor is fixed firm, because of the shape and the bigger size, the more than the old one was smaller, this one is bigger, and because of the position installed it, so you must put a glue under to make sure that the capacitor is fixed firm. As you can see, it's not shaking. So that is it. So now we have to test the TV and see. Okay. Yeah. You can see the image is now clear. The TV is now showing high-tech. That's the brand name. You can see the TV showing. You can see the image. So the TV is working perfectly fine. Everything is okay. So it's working fine. There is no problem. So that is it.